Huh?
Wasn't I supposed to take a break?
Good guess, but actually no.
But seriously though, I mean, I did take a break, but it was like for 2 days, and then I regained my common sense and slowly fell back
Into the endless purgatory of game development.
Well, what did you expect? But this time, I was tired of working on OneShot. I'd worked on it for like a month now, and it was time to do something new and more interesting. So where did I go of all places? Roblox. I mean, you aren't wrong, is kinda whack, but the Roblox game engine is looking kinda fit. This isn't exactly my first time using the engine, but it's my first time actually knowing the fundamentals of a coding language while using the game engine. So here's what I could come up with in a week. Please enjoy. I started off in GIMP trying to figure out what the hell I actually wanted to do. And then I realized that ever since I joined Roblox, prison games had always been sort of a trend on the platform. There were like a near infinite amount of prison games, and you know, infinite means more than 3, so why not make one? I wanted to implement some magic elements, which I was unfortunately unable to because of this game engine being whack. But that leads me to one of the 3 points I learned while making my game in Roblox. First of all, if my game wasn't multiplayer, I might have been able to get much more done by now. I'll tell you the rest of the points when they're relevant. So I was eager to start up my project, but then a few days later, Roblox was like, hippity hoppity, your Roblox save file is now my property. So I had to go everything again. But thankfully I'd only made a little progress, so everything was fine and I got back to work. I started by making a team choosing clothes giving thingy. I don't know. It took me like a day, so here's a little time lapse. We all like time lapse, right? I started to kind of figure out at this point that I wouldn't be able to complete the game alone at all. So I wanted to figure out a way for people to damage each other. So I decided on a little punching effect that you can do when the player presses the F key. I also added a little bowing animation because I don't know, bowing animations are cool. Then I went on a little playtest with my imaginary friends. Then I kind of made all the walls and roof of the police station, which totally didn't take me a whole nother day, which brings me to point number 2. Building or importing anything into Roblox is hella scuffed. And I don't mean normal scuffed, it's hella scuffed. Though there are some good and actually useful tools like collisions, most of it is really clunky garbage that is hard to control, so I'll probably never set my eyes on this engine again. So with that, I modeled the whole police station, and it looks pretty bad. But come on, I did this in a few days. After that, I knew this game was shit, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna make a gun and be done with this bullshit. So that's exactly what I did. And here's the final playtest of the game. Last time you guys did kind of smash the like goal, so I'll make a website devlog thingy next video, but it's only going to be a one-time thing since I'm a game developer, not a web developer. And after that, I'm going to work on my game OneShot starting from after the next week. If that makes any sense, I don't know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This has been Ibrahim, and I'm out.